Hello guys, I hope you are doing great. Okay, today I would like to share with you guys how I used the skills I mentioned. I mentioned that I have got digital marketing skills, web development skills, video editing skills, graphics designing skills, and also I've been using a lot of AI tools in my life and even at work, right? So these skills I've acquired, they've been so useful in my life, right? Now, at this particular moment, I'm working at a company called One Touch Electrical Services. It's a company that is growing and it has a bright future, and it offers electrical services, it offers solar services, and also it has a hardware, right, whereby you can buy your tools, whatever hardware equipments that you need, it has those, right? So I'm working as a marketing officer at One Touch Electrical Services. So I'm using all of these skills at work. I'm in charge of the company website. I developed it, and also I developed some softwares to streamline business operations. And also I do graphic design every day, creating flyers, posters, right, for marketing purposes, right? I do video editing. Maybe you want to create ads, Facebook ads, Google ads. I do create videos, I do edit videos on daily basis, right? And also I use AI tools. I use ChatGPT on daily basis. If I want some quick text, or maybe I want to write a report, maybe I want to write a letter, I can generate that using ChatGPT and then customize that letter to suit my needs, right? And I use also other productive tools such as Microsoft Suite. I use Excel on daily basis. We as a company, we get jobs or projects through tenders. So we deal with a lot of tenders. So we need to do robust calculations, right, to prepare BOQs, bill of quantities, right, in order for us to be able to submit the tender, right? So we need to calculate faster. So we use Excel, and also Excel is very good and it does calculations smoothly and without errors. And we use Word a lot when writing letters, when writing reports, and other things that needs to be written. So we use Microsoft Word, we use Microsoft Excel, and we rarely use PowerPoint. But it's so much good when it comes to reporting, maybe presentations as a marketing officer, right? So we are using technology, and I've seen the advantages of using technology. It automates a lot of things. Instead of us doing things manually, we can use technology to streamline our business operations. So I've discovered that being computer literate is something that is very important in this economy. We are living in the digital economy, and the technology is here to stay. So if you're computer literate, you're going to be competitive, right, in the marketplace, and you're going to be useful, right, in each and every company that hires you or that you work for, right, which is so crucial. So that's why I've started this channel. I want to teach you guys these skills I've got, and you are going to see how useful are these skills in your life, at work. Maybe you're a businessman or you want to start a business. You need to understand, and you need to understand computer and how it works, and how to use it, how to use internet, how to browse, how to use browsers, right, how to research, how to use tools in order for you to speed up your tasks that you've been given at work, right? So having this knowledge, it's for me, I believe it's going to be impactful in your life in a positive way. So could you please subscribe on this channel so that when I upload any video, you get notified, right? And you learn as much as you can, in order for you to be competitive and in order for you to be computer literate. So like what I mentioned, I used these skills, right, at work, and these skills I got, they helped me to get this job and to work as a marketing officer at One Touch Electrical Services, right? And like what I mentioned, I developed a company website, and I developed a system which is called File Synchro system. It's an alert system that alerts the company management in regards to files that needs to be renewed. You know, we always forget the renewal dates of files or certificates, right? As a company operating, we have statutory certificates that we have, right, that shows compliance that within the government. So we have like NASA, we have like tax clearance, etc. So those certificates, they expire, so they need to be renewed, right, depending on the period that we've acquired, but they need to be renewed. So we always forget because there are many. So in order for that, I developed a system to solve this problem that alerts us when that file or any file needs to be renewed, right? That's why I called it File Synchro, right? Then also I integrated another alert system within that File Synchro system that alerts us on insurance, right? On car insurance. We also have been forgetting about the renewal dates of car insurance, right, which may result in deplorable consequences with the VID or police, right? So I developed that and integrate that with that system to become one. So we are being alerted when the license, when the car insurance is to be renewed. Then we renew that car insurance, right, maybe 7 days before the expiry date, which is so fantastic and which is so good. It's problem solving. So technology is all about problem solving, right? If you learn a skill, now you have to solve problems, right? So, and also I developed some websites for clients. I developed a website called Rhinestyle Enterprise, right, website. It's a company called Rhinestyle Enterprise. I developed Savannah Solutions website. I developed the company website I mentioned, and also I developed my own website, and I'm going to share the links below. And also I developed Lekna Events website, right? I'm going to share the links right below. So in terms of programming, these are the skills I learned and how I use these skills, right? I apply these skills developing websites for clients, developing a system for the company to streamline business operations, and I'm still in the process of developing other softwares to streamline business operations, like tender system management system, right, and a booking system, and other softwares that are required to solve common problems. Like what I mentioned, this company is growing and it needs to automate a lot of stuff. So I'm in the process of solving the problems that I'm identifying, right, at the company I'm working for, right? Though it's beyond marketing, but I have to apply all those skills and streamline business operations, right? So that I feel better if I solve problems using technology, right? Then also I've got some funny projects I've been developing. I can say funny because I just love developing and I just love applying the knowledge I've acquired in terms of programming. There is also another application that I developed called Link Quickly. You know, when I was at college, I used to forget also the links that I've been visiting, maybe looking for information to write a dissertation, maybe writing an assignment. So maybe I would want that information, right, when I'm writing a certain assignment similar to that which I wrote previously. So because of that, I was so bored to start researching again. So I needed an application that I could use to save the links that are very important for me, so that maybe, possibly in the future, if I want to visit the same resource, I could easily get it instead of starting from scratch to research for it. Then I developed this application that can link me quickly. That's why I called Link Quickly. That can link me quickly to the resource I need, right? So I'll share the link below, right, in order for you now to see and navigate that application, and I developed that application using Laravel. And I developed that application during the days when I was learning Laravel. So I wanted to apply because there is what is called tutorial. You can continue learning and watching videos, many videos without learning. So what I discovered, you have to just watch a video or learn a concept, then you apply it. So I was learning Laravel, then I thought to myself, okay, I learned Laravel, so what could I do with it? Then I developed that software, which is so functional today. The link is below. You can go and navigate it and see how it works and the logic, how it was combined together to make that application, right? And also there are other applications that I developed when I was still learning programming, especially JavaScript. I will share the repository these applications are on GitHub. I will share that so that you could see my early days when I was still learning how to program. Then I also do graphic design daily, like what I mentioned. I design flyers, I design business cards, I design posters each and every day. So the benefits of learning graphic design. Imagine if I'm a marketing officer, I am unable to design. It was going to be an expense for the company to hire someone to design marketing materials, but I myself, I do design, which is a very great benefit for the company. Look at the website. The company should have hired somebody else to develop their website, but because I'm there, I managed to develop the website for the company. You see the advantages of these skills. And also I do video editing. The company should hire somebody else to develop or to edit the videos, maybe for marketing or maybe whatever purposes, right? But I'm there, I can do that because I've got the skills to edit videos, right? And also in terms of productivity, I use a lot of AI tools, like what I've mentioned. I use ChatGPT a lot, right, to speed up my tasks, right, that I have been given, right. I use ChatGPT. I use other AI tools like Grok. In terms of video editing, I use Lumen 5. If I need a video in seconds or in a few minutes, right. So if you are computer literate, your work becomes so easier and enjoyable because you can do things faster using technology. So why you guys, you are struggling? So that's why I've started this channel, in order for you guys to learn as much as possible. And these skills I'm going to teach you here on this YouTube channel are going to be useful in your life, are going to be useful at work, wherever you go. Either you're a student, you can become good and you become so productive, you can complete maybe your assignments, whatever, so fast, right? And maybe you're someone who is looking for a career in technology or in IT, right? You're going to learn and you're going to choose which skill do you want to specialize in, right, on this channel. Also, you're going to learn a lot of tools that you can use in your business. If you're a business owner or you are planning to start a business, you need to streamline your business operations. Everything is going to be provided on this channel. So what I want you guys is to subscribe on this channel and to share this video, right? There are some people who are so interested, but they don't have knowledge about the better channel to learn these skills simply, because I'm going to simplify everything. So share this video to those who are so interested so that they could come and subscribe and learn as much as possible. And I don't want to leave anyone behind. I just want to simplify everything for you guys. I'm going to remove all the technicalities that you may think that technology is so difficult for me, and I want to remove that technophobia that you do have. So please subscribe and see you in the next video, whereby I'm going to start now the courses that I'm going to be producing and upload on this channel for you guys to learn just for free. So you have a good day. See you in the next video.